I just wanted to come out here and camp. So I just wanted to come out here and camp while it snowed, and this would also allow me to test my winter gear. I have a tent that it says it's 3-season tent, but I'm hoping that it will withstand the snow. It's not too heavy at the moment, but we are expected to get a lot more snow later in the evening. For now I'm just trying to get something ready so I can set up my camp. So I can show you the view that I have right now. Look at that. Stillness. There's a bit of wind coming in, and because I'm just a beginner and I haven't put on the guy lines on my tent, and I hope it won't be too strong so I don't have to do too much to keep my tent in place. Yeah. I wanted to spend some time and camp during the snow. There was a lot of snow. It was snowing quite nicely when I was setting my camp, but now it has stopped. The sky seems still grey, so there's forecast for more snow later on. I'll see if I get more snow, and it will also allow me to test my tent if it can withstand some snow. Other than that, it looks pretty beautiful here. Yeah, the trees are covered in snow. The lake is covered in snow. It's not quite frozen yet, but then it will in maybe a month or so. It's going to get colder and colder from now on, because December was quite warm. Most of the days remained over 0, sometimes even close to 8 degrees Celsius, which is quite strange in December. But now it is supposed to get colder and we will have more snow days now. I have brought my book with me and I'm going to read it inside my camp and just enjoy the calm and beautiful nature. I think it's quite amazing. It is so silent right now. There are some kids and some, I think, people over there. They are, I think, skiing or skating or something like that. But now, as it gets darker and darker, people will leave, and then I'll have the lake to myself. And hopefully I can have a good time and won't get cold. I have brought my coffee with me, so I'm going to just enjoy that now. And yeah, sleeping mat, and I'm gonna fill it up so that I can keep myself warm while sitting. use it like that for now and enjoy my coffee. I think I've got some snow inside my cup. Okay, let's pour some coffee in. Where's the coffee? It's very hot at the moment. I have to wait a bit. Right here I have got my book now. There are some other people on the other side of the lake. I think they have fire going on as well. Yeah, let's see there. Yeah, they have fire. I think it's not too cold at the moment. If I remove my gloves, only then I feel a bit of cold hands. Otherwise, otherwise the rest of body is quite warm. I think the thermals that I'm wearing are doing a nice job. Because of the snow, there's ambient light. The light is reflecting off the snow, and it hasn't gotten that dark as it would normally. A few days back, when it wasn't snowing enough, it would get super dark by now. I think it's around 4:35 p.m. and the sunset was around 2:40, something like that. But yeah, because of the snow, it isn't getting that dark. Even though it's getting quite cold now, and there's more snow to come. Let's see how it goes. So far, so good. I'm not cold. I read my book a bit, had some coffee, had some water. I have snacks, but I'm not hungry yet. But yeah, it's going quite good right now. I'm gonna go for a short walk into the woods there. I'm just gonna warm up my body, have a bit of walk, enjoy the nature. There's more snow coming. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, there's something coming down now. But yeah, let's go. There's a family across the lake. I think they are camping or just wanted to spend some time. They had a fire going on as well. I can still hear them. A few minutes ago I could still hear them, but I'm not sure if they are still there now. Not sure if you can see in the camera, but there's more snow coming now. Maybe I think with the trees in the background, it's more visible as compared to if I just point outwards towards the lake. It's pretty good right now. It looks beautiful. There's a bit of wind, which is making it a bit more cold right now, but it's still okay. Everything looks beautiful, and I'm waiting for more snow. It was supposed to come around 7. It's just 10 minutes to 7. Hopefully I'll get to see more snow. It is so quiet right now. I mean, there's a road just nearby. I think maybe 100 meters, 200 meters maximum. And I can hardly hear anything at all. And this is because of the snow. Because the snow is known to absorb sound, and it makes everything so calm, so quiet. There's nothing.